Hello, in front of me I've got POCO M5s. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet or Google Pay. Now select Explore Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and add passes like Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks and manage passwords saved on your Google account. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.